Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me from. I hope you're doing great. Today is Saturday. I want to prepare porridge yam. Thank you so much for all your support to all my new and old and returning subscribers. So guys, this is my yam. My yam is already peeled and washed, so I want to carry people along. I'm putting the yam inside the pot right now. Putting the yam, not using oil, it looks plenty. Okay, this is how I do it sometimes so that it will get thicker. All right, salt, not cube. And now add my fish that I remain in the freezer, my onions. This is sapa porridge yam. Okay, that's my onions. Add my banga oil. So guys, this yam is new yam. You know, new yam is out now. This is my first time of trying it. I want to see how it's tasting. Okay, going to cover it for it to cook for 30 minutes. Guys, the aroma is giving. Yeah. Let's give a stir. Okay, I'm going to add my vegetable ugu. Okay, you can use spinach if you don't have ugu, or any vegetable of your choice. Okay, I'm going to add it now. Adding my pumpkin leaf, ugu. So guys, I'm giving it a stir. So guys, our porridge yam is ready. If you watch up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Do well to subscribe if not. Keep being part of this family. God will never stop blessing you. Okay, have a wonderful, beautiful week, and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Peace out.